This is all about adverbs. Most adverbs have ly at the end, and adverbs tell how, where, how often, and when. An adverb is used to describe words and give more information about the verb. Adverbs help make your writing more interesting. Let's look at some adverbs. Adverbs that tell when the time would be early, soon, suddenly, still, yet, yesterday, first, second, third, and before. Adverbs that tell where the place would be here, there, everywhere, anywhere, somewhere, far, near, and away. Down at the bottom, adverbs that tell how often would be daily, always, monthly, weekly, hourly, briefly, sometimes, hardly, annually, often. And tells how the action is done loudly, slowly, easily, equally, accidentally, neatly, carefully, quickly, neatly, and fair. So don't forget, adverbs tell how, where, how often, and when about a verb. Now go write 3 adverbs on your activity list.